So I'm Ikra Tanveer, and I'm from Pakistan originally. I'm from Karachi. I was taught in Karachi, and I think my journey kind of began from there as being an artist. If I would talk about our project, which is basically about Sleepers of the Cave, which is a parable from the Quran, from the chapter 18. So it's about the young people in the cave and how cave in itself is also this space which is really not very specific. It is really somewhere in between being a space of contemplation, a space where people were living at one point. So it's really something in between. It's really something in the periphery. I generally don't like to direct the audience so much. I really trust the audience. So I'm an artist and I'm just sharing an experience. And it's kind of it's a complete circle. When I present something and somebody reads it, that is where everything starts making sense. So when I talk about the sleepers of the cave, I mean, most of them are probably aware of what the story is. How do they engage with it is interesting because our interpretation of the sleepers is more kind of between being metaphysical, at the same time also political, also being sociological. Those are things that were already happening in the work, especially when we also talk about the water, the presence of the water in the work, which is very fluid. It has a timelessness adapted within it. And then you have these sculptures around which are cracking, which have somehow emerged out of nowhere or out of the ground. So it almost feels like an excavation of something of some sort. So the part of the work where you see my input, like of course you see a collaborative project where there's Ehsan who's done majorly focused on the sculptures, and I have a wall which seems to have emerging from the soil. So there are two sides of it. One is the side where you see this water installation, and the other side is these photo transfers. It hints upon these different ideas that are within the story. I mean, it's a very interesting cosmology that has been explained in the Quran. So they all come together in some ways about the story.